As we know that some special kind of features are present in the leaves of Jatropha plant. In the petiole especially, having some glandular structures, glands are present, and technically we called these glands as stipitate glands. The name stipitate came from the word stipules. We know that generally in plants, on both sides of the petiole, from the petiole arise, from where the petiole arise from the stem, both the sides some outgrowths are there. These outgrowths are called as stipules. Generally these are two, but in some plants one stipule is also present. So these glands which are present on the generally dorsal surface, dorsal side of petiole in Jatropha plant, that is why these are called as stipitate glands. So from stipules to stipitate glands. So to observe these glands very clearly, we used stereo microscope. In one of my video I clearly discussed what is stereo microscope, what are the uses of that. So we have put our leaf sample to observe the stipitate glands on the petiole of Jatropha leaves. So light that is falling on the surface of the glands in the case of stereo microscope. So these are at low power of objective lens, and under the same we are using a smartphone camera only, because to make things simple. So you can see here very clearly these are branched glands are present here, not at all sessile, stalks are present, and these are called as stipitate glands. These are present on the dorsal surface of the petiole. These are called as stipitate glands. This is very characteristic feature of Jatropha petiole. Even glands are present on the leaf margin also. I'll show you. So stalked glands are present, and one sticky secretion also used to present in these glands, which is to make this plant sticky in nature, and that is the feature of just to avoid herbivory. It's a protection measure provided by the nature to this plant. So if we focus these on so these are the glands which are present on basically these are trichomes here. These are present on the leaf margin. These are part of trichomes, not stipitate. Stipitate glands are present on the petiole only, because stipules are present around the petiole only. So if we observe same type of glands almost, generally these are sessile as well as stalked. Very small stalk is present. These are called as glandular trichomes, and in between these glands, green color glands, we can see the non-glandular trichomes also present on the margin of the leaves of Jatropha plant. Very characteristic feature. If we cannot see this through naked eyes, right? So that's why we have used stereo microscope here. Stereo microscope, without any kind of sectioning, whatever the things are present on the surface directly we can observe. That is the special feature of stereo microscope. Generally in tissue culture laboratory, especially in biotechnology laboratories like we have, one stereo microscope is always needed to observe the formation of somatic embryos and all. So these are again these stipitate glands. Thank you. Any comment you can write.